Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing well. So my dear children, today I'll teach you maths, and in maths we will learn a new topic. So student, can you tell me what are these? Yes, these are numbers. These are numbers from 1 to 20. So these are the numbers. Can you tell me in how many ways we write the numbers? Yes, like this, and we can also write spellings like ONE1, TWO2, like this we also write numbers. But can you tell me some other way of writing the numbers? Okay, I will tell you. There is one more way to write the numbers which were used in ancient Rome. People of Rome used these symbols instead of these 1, 2, 3 normal numbers. These symbols are known as Roman numerals. So today we will learn Roman numerals. So student, what is this? Yes, this is a clock. Have you seen a clock with these numbers? The digit may look strange, but pupil can probably still tell time using the numbers. The numbers on the clock are called Roman numerals or sometimes Roman numbers. Roman numeral was a numbering system used by the ancient Rome and was the usual way of writing numbers throughout Europe. Up until the 1600s. Originally, they were used by the Roman to show the prices of different goods and services. The number in the system are represented by a combination of letters from the Latin alphabet. See students, this capital I denotes 1. Okay? And this capital V denotes 5. And this capital X denotes number 10. And student, one most important thing, there is no Roman numeral for number 0. There is no Roman numeral for number 0. See, capital I 1, capital V 5, capital X 10. So in this Roman numeral we always use uppercase letters. The symbol or number on the clock will now make more sense to you. And student, Roman numerals are not difficult, but you do need to remember what each letters stand for and how to use them correctly. Sometimes it is a bit tricky when writing larger numbers, but once you practice, you will practice using them. They will be just as easy as smaller numbers. There are some rules for using Roman numeral. Let's see. But before the rules, let's see these number. This is number 1. And this 2I, 2. 3I, 3. 1I and V, 4. And this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this is 12. So these are the Roman numerals for these numbers. Now come to the rules. We will never use more than 3 of the same numerals in a row. Let's see example. For writing 3, we use 3 capital I. But after this 4, for 4 we didn't use 4 capital I. This is the rule, okay? Now, the second rule, a smaller number written to the left of a larger number See, like this, a smaller number written to the left of a larger numeral means to subtract its value. For example, if we have to write number 4, how we write? Capital I and 5. It means 5 minus 1. So this is 4. Like this we write. It means we are subtracting 1 from 5. Okay, these are the two rules. We will never use more than 3 of the same numerals in a row. And second rule, a smaller number written to the left of a larger number means to subtract its value. Like, see here, 10 minus 1. And here, if we are writing on right hand side, it means we are adding. And if we are writing on left hand side, we are subtracting. These are the rules. See, if we are writing like this, it means 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So 7 is written like this. So the numbers, if the numbers are written on right hand side, it means we have to add. And if the number is written on left hand side, it means we have to subtract. Now let's see how we write Roman numerals from 1 to 20. See, for 1, capital I. 2, capital I. 3, capital I. And for 4, capital V and minus 1. So this is 4. For 5, capital V. For 6, V plus 1. For 7, V plus 2. For 8, V plus 3. For 9, 10 minus 1. For 10, X. For 11, X plus 1. For 12, X plus 2. For 13, X plus 3. For 14, X and 4. For 15, X 5. For 16, X plus 6. For 17, X plus 7. For 18, X plus 8. And for 19, X plus 9. And for 20, X and X. 2 times X. So like this, students, we write Roman numerals. See, one more time. Okay. Now let's do an activity of Roman numerals. For an activity, students, you have to take watercolor and earbud. Now dip the earbud like this and 1, 2 and 3, and after 3, 4. Like this, student, you have to write with colors in your scrapbook up to 1 to 20. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.